Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Python with Physics. Today we are diving into Python and matplotlib to plot a simple yet essential mathematical function y equals to x square. Whether you are a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, this video will guide you through the entire process. Let's get started. Now we have to create a general program for every function. Every function means sine, cos, exponential, every function you can plot. Just the value of y, putting the value of y instead of x square. First thing first, we need to make sure we have matplotlib installed. If you have not installed it yet, open your terminal command prompt and type pip install matplotlib. One installed, we can start this program. Let's start by importing the necessary library matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now we have to define x and y values. We initialize an empty list x and y. Let's start as x equals to uh, empty list and y equals to empty list. Now we define the number of points and the range for x. In this case, we'll go from -1 to 1 and the points will be 100 points. Now in pt, the number of points equals to 100 and a is the -1 and b is the 1. Now what is the increment by step size? A is equals to b minus a by npt or number of points. Now we use a loop to calculate the values of x and y corresponding. We use for loop that runs 0 to npt plus 1 that ensures that we get npt plus 1 points, including both endpoints. Sorry, I mistake. That is 0 to npt plus 1. Now z equals to a plus I times h. Now calculates each x value starting from a and adding increments h as I increases. Now computing the y values, since our function is y equals to x square, we simply square the computed z values. Now storing the values, the append we use append x dot append z and y dot append c. Store the generated values in our list, which will later be used for plotting. By the end of this loop, we'll have a set of x values ranging from -1 to 1 and their corresponding y values calculated with the function y equals to x square. Let's plot pld.plot and we use pld.title for the title of graph of y equals to x square, and we use a grid to display the coordinate lines, and to display the graph we have to write pld.show. Now you can see it is bounded by -1 to 1 and is the proper graph of y equals to x square. Thank you.